Cat Part Store System, the fastest way to order cat parts online since 1999. Part Store is a vital sales tool that differentiates our dealers from the competition and provides parts to customers when and where they need them. With real-time parts pricing and availability, online parts catalogs, planned maintenance checklists, and more, our customers, big or small, prefer to order using Part Store.
Compass Environmental is it's about a $200 million company. We do everything as far as soil related, kind of from the ground down. We got about 60 pieces of equipment scattered throughout the country. We order almost 100% of our parts through Part Store.
Nighthawk started in 1998. We have 5 facilities. We mine approximately 4.5 million ton of coal this year. I would say our maintenance superintendent, at least 40% of his day is spent using Part Store or using SIS, and it has been a very big asset for us.
Fred Weber's been in business for 80 years, and they started out as a construction company, heavy highway construction. They have quite a few quarries. We have a waste division. They've been using Part Store probably for about 4 or 5 years. What we're finding the biggest benefit is scheduling downtime. You know, you get a loader in a primary location. When you look at what it costs for downtime, that loader could cost you $2,500 an hour or more. So when you look at downtime, downtime isn't just the cost of the machine and the man, it's what it affects the operation. So logistically, scheduling the downtime is so much better.
The majority of our fleet is older machines. We have some machines with 18 to 32,000 hours. You know, when the machines first came being new, didn't have to rely on Part Store a whole lot, but now that with the age of the machines, it's really, really beneficial in keeping our availability and our utilizations up.
The challenges in what we do every day is there's only so much time, and you have limited resources. The availability at the dealerships and the hours they work, the Part Store just makes it a lot easier to, like I said, it's ready when we are. It just makes it easier, helps us save time.
Part Store provides tremendous value to our customers, saving them time and money. Cat dealers agree.
The value that our customers place on Part Store, the ones that are utilizing it today, we feel there's a huge value placed on it. They feel that it is a vital part of their business.
It's not just transactional cost reduction. It's also an opportunity for customers to do business in the manner that they prefer, whether it's after hours ordering, being able to create their own list and reorder the same list, or not have parts runners. It's really just another option for the customer.
Locating and ordering the right part is easy using Part Store.
We use the frequent order list primarily for our PM services. All the machines are in there by the serial number breakdown. So we've got our 250, 500, 1,000, 2,000. The guys just click on the service that they're doing and send the parts to whatever branch they need and just get them coming.
Our warehouse manager at our central shop, Brad Teese, he utilizes the core credit, the oil analysis we use, having the availability to look up electrical schematics.
The service manuals are on hand, you know, not just parts, the parts availability stuff, but the service manuals and all that stuff. That's what makes it so nice. We have so many different models all over the place, so when the field mechanics are out there, they have parts manuals at their fingertips all the time.
We feel that Part Store is certainly a vital sales tool for our salespeople out in the field. It's something that certainly separates us from the competition.
You know, I remember where I came from, we started using it and it was like, oh man, this is a nice little toy and stuff. But it's more than a toy. I mean, when you really get into it, it's a tool. I mean, we use everything on the internet. We use the CAT SOS program. We use, you know, Part Store. We use SysWeb. We use the GPS, and it's great tools. We can do our job because of these tools that CAT's offered us.
If it's an efficient tool, then they'll continue to use it, and through that efficiency, they see value.
You know, it's kind of evolved as far as our oil analysis when we do preventive maintenance. I mean, right now we're pretty satisfied with how it's working, but the improvements even over the last year has really been a benefit to us.
We feel it's been vital to our success going forward, utilizing technology to better increase our parts sale market share to our customers.
I can get on there and I can look at the same parts book or service manual as my manager up here, my shop foreman up here. So that's my favorite part of it, is that it is current, it's the same no matter where you're at.
As we go back and look at how does the customer want to do business and want to create that environment where he wants to do business with us, Parts Store is a part of that.
The biggest thing is it allows us just to do what we want when we want. Like I said, it's a daily part of our business, and I don't see that changing.
Are you using Parts Store?